All right, we just got this, a Vevor Tough Tools, half price. I have no idea what's in here. We're gonna unbox it and find out. Might be a ladder, I don't know. Let's find out. Got my trusty Amazon cutter, which you can get on Amazon. It's got this little blade on it. Makes it easy to open stuff. Look at that. You know what? I think it is the ladder. Check it out. All right, I'm wondering if I can just cut down the edge. I'm gonna set it down like that, and then I'm just gonna pour it out. I think I'm gonna pour it out. Hopefully it falls towards me. That's it right there. Bam. This is not light. Okay. All right, so we'll get it out of its stuff. As I said, it does come with this. So it's got like a, you know, it kind of shows you how to do it. You can contact them if you got problems with it. It follows me. Shows you how it works. All right. And it gives you some more information. So we're gonna hang on to that. These things you could use for something. I don't know what. But here it is. We have unboxed this thing. Let me set it here. All right, so we've unboxed it. We got a mess. I gotta clean that mess up. But that's it right there. Check it out. Look at all this Look at all this shit on there. That's the static electricity. It keeps that on there. But anyway, this is our ladder. And now we can try it out and see what we think. All right, so the way this works is when you want to collapse it, you have to press this in. And it collapses the whole ladder. Securely place thumbs on latches when closing. Do not place any part of your body or hands or fingers or thumbs in between the rungs or couplings above the last secure rung. So the thing is that if you get your hands in between here, it's gonna cut your fingers off. It's not good. So we're gonna try it and see how she works. Now I notice when I pull it like this, it really just doesn't do anything. It just, you know, you gotta pull it all the way out to get it all the way up. You follow me? Yeah, if I'm gonna pull it open, I wanna be able to get it all the way up. All right, so anyway, here are the warnings on it. They're telling you, you know, how to use it so that you don't get hurt. And, you know, it's giving you, if you got it out 1 foot, you can go up 4 feet. So if you go up 8, you could probably have 2, right? You know, apparently that's what they're saying. It's 170 kilogram max, which we'll have to convert to, you know, American fat pounds. And then over here you got do not reach, you know, it's just telling you not to be an idiot, you know what I mean? There they are. And, you know, you don't want to get electrocuted. And, you know, they want you to read everything before you get in here because you could chop your fingers off if you're not careful. The unlock position, there is a gap between the buttons and the spar. Lock position, the buttons are located directly one the leg. Directly one the leg. That doesn't make any sense. But anyway, it shows you here, right? The locked and unlocked position, which really doesn't tell you. So I believe this is the locked and that's unlocked. So to unlock it, you go like that and it falls. But you got to do both sides at the same time. So we're going to show you that. You never climb on the last step, it's telling you. So, you know, let's give it a shot and let's see how it works. All right, so I think you would just start here. You just start raising it up, right? One after another. I'm going to back it up, come out a little bit. Okay, hang on. All right, let's try it. Let me get a little bit higher. Okay, I'm going 1 ring at a time. I don't want to grab these, I don't think. I'm almost there. All right, there it is. All right. That is how you set it up. All right, so I have to move it out a little bit. To make it come down, you have to press these two things and it drops. I'm a little nervous to do that. I mean, because it's gonna fall from way up there all the way down. And yeah, that should be interesting. You know what I mean? That's just not a, I don't think it's a good design, do you? It's kind of crazy. You can see it's pretty good size. I'm gonna go ahead and get up on it for a second so you guys can see. So anyway, yeah. That's that. It's a little nerve-wracking. It feels yeah. I don't know about that. Come out a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. And supposedly you can do whatever. So to make it go down, I have to push both of these in. And so supposedly it'll just go right down. You know? It's a little nerve-wracking. I don't know if I want to do that or not. I might pull it down and then put it against the wall and then push it forward instead of letting it drop. All right, I'm going to try just raising it up a little bit. I think I can do that by just pulling it up just a little, just by, you know, I start here and I just go like this. And I think I got to put my foot here, and then that locks out, and I can go up one more. So if I didn't need to go up too high, I could just do something like that, right? I'm just doing, you know, whatever. It gives me a little bit better, you know, I can make it smaller. And then from here, I feel fairly comfortable doing this. I would pull this up and then just press this. Make sure you don't put your fingers here. See, it doesn't work that good, does it? So, these, I don't like that at all. All right, I think that's that. That's the ladder.